Hey there, I'm wearing my superhero shirt because this episode is going to help you look like a superhero with an Encap technique that will truly help you max your Encap. Stay tuned. Today I want to talk to you about your Encap technique. Sometimes we hear from carpet cleaners who try Encap and they're not blown away with the results, and that's really weird because as those of you who are really into Encap cleaning, you know that you can get consistently excellent results cleaning commercial carpet, particularly using the Encap method. Now, why does it work so well? Well, keep in mind it's a short piece of fiber and it doesn't take a whole lot to pull the soil from the surface of the fiber and get it into the fluid that we're cleaning with, our release it detergent, which will then crystallize as it dries, holding that soil in suspension, and then it can continue to be vacuumed out of the carpet during post-vacuuming. The Release It product line works phenomenally for that, as you know. But where we run into problems, sometimes guys will get out there and they will clean in a splotchy manner. For example, if you're using a pump-up sprayer to put your solution down, you're not going to get very even, consistent coverage of the surface, and it's really important that we get our solution onto the carpet very smoothly, very evenly, without over-wetting the carpet, because keep in mind, commercial glue down carpet particularly likes to wick. In other words, stuff that gets down at the backing of the carpet comes up during the drying process. So to keep things under control, when you're using a good encapsulation detergent, you should see excellent results if you put your solution down real smoothly, very evenly. Picture painting a wall. You just want to kind of lay it out very smoothly. If you're painting a wall, you don't want to see spots that you missed. You don't want to see runs. You don't want to see areas that are dry and they don't look like you're really covered well. Same principle applies here. Now, when we're working with Release It, for example, Encap Clean DS2, our detergents that foam up a little bit, you want to see a very light whitening of the surface. So that could be Bio Encap, Encap 1, Encap Clean DS2. These products have a light foaming property. In fact, we dialed the product in so that you could see this very smooth, light whitening on the surface, which gives you a visual indicator that you've got just the right amount of solution down. Now, how do you get there? Typically, you're going to do a quick wet pass, a fairly quick wet pass, followed by a moderately slower dry pass. On that dry pass, we're really doing the cleaning. We can continue to feather a little more solution out on the dry pass, but on that dry pass, that's where we're going to see that smooth, light, even whitening on the surface. In other words, on the second pass. In some cases, you might even need to make an additional pass or two if the carpet's in really bad condition, in which case you might still feather out just a tiny little bit more solution, but keep in mind, we don't want to over-wet the carpet. And keep in mind that the agitation is a big part of what's happening with the cleaning with the encapsulation method. We clean with temperature, agitation, chemical, and time. Temperature, agitation, chemical, and time, TACT. Some will say chat, chemical, heat, agitation, and time. My IACRC instructor years ago taught us to have TACT when we clean. So temperature, agitation, chemical, and time. And the agitation part of the equation is really important to really scrub the carpet evenly and to put down just the right amount of solution. But if you do that, you're going to see consistent results. Now, you may still have some spill stains that you want to kind of isolate and work on separately, or you might have a problem spot on the carpet that you need to treat. But as a general rule, if you'll put down your solution evenly and scrub very smoothly and very evenly without overwetting the carpet, and really look for consistency in the way that you're putting down the solution, you are going to knock the ball out of the park. The Encap process works extremely well on commercial carpet, and some guys are even using it in residential settings. But if you really follow these steps carefully, keep your solution very even, don't overwet the carpet, you're going to see phenomenal results consistently, and that's what we want to see. So if you have questions, reach out to us. You can ask questions in the comments below. I'll get back to you on that. But at any rate, what we want to do here at Excellent Supply is to help you max your Encap. Thank you for watching this episode. Please hit the like, subscribe, comments below. We appreciate it when you do that too. Have a great day.